you run a small business, then you're probably used to juggling tons of tasks. Small business superstars do everything from marketing to content creation and customer service.
Our prices have never been lower!
But what if I told you that there was a way to be even more productive and to improve your customers' experience at the same time? That's where vibe coding comes in. Welcome to Website Builder Expert, and in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how you can use vibe coding for your business. Vibe coding isn't about learning to program or writing code. Instead, you simply describe your vision to an AI assistant to create apps, automations, and digital experiences for your business. It focuses more on the overall feel and concept rather than technical details, and requires no coding knowledge or ability whatsoever. So, what can you build with it? How can it help your small business make you more money or save time? I'm going to show you exactly that in this video. Together we'll be going through some useful vibe coding ideas that will help improve your customer experiences and make your life easier. Ready to get inspired? Well, let's jump right in. First, let's focus on your customers. Vibe coding can be a game changer when it comes to turning customers into loyal fans by helping to make their experience smooth and memorable. For most businesses these days, your website will be where your customers first interact or even mainly interact with your business. And while we recommend using a website builder for your business's website, a vibe coding platform can help you develop plugins and apps that can take your website to the next level. If you haven't yet built a website for your business, then check out our recent videos on the top 5 website builders and the top 5 e-commerce website builders. Links to both are in the description below. Once your site is up and running, vibe coding can help you build interactive features to make your site feel personal, engaging, and helpful. And here are some examples. A useful app for many businesses could be a customer pricing calculator. Let's say you run a cleaning business. Your prices depend on the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and extra services like oven or window cleaning. Instead of having a confusing price list or making customers call you for quotes, what you could do is build a calculator right on your site using a vibe coding platform like Hosting a Horizons. That way, a customer can enter their details and get an instant quote with no stress. This helps build trust and captures leads. Or if you're a freelance designer, you could create a calculator that lets clients pick a logo package, add on a branding guide package, or even pick social media templates with the total price updating right away. If you wanted to build something like this from a developer, you would have to have a very sizable budget, and it would probably cost you from hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on your vision. With vibe coding, you could build this quickly for a tiny fraction of how much it would have cost just a year or two ago. Before you get started with vibe coding, make sure you have a very clear idea of what you want your product to be, including all of its features and variables. You can then use a platform like Base44, Lovable, or Hosting a Horizons to explain what you want as though you're explaining it to a human developer, and it will generate the code right in front of your eyes and then give you a working product that you can test and play around with before iterating and developing further through more prompts and feedback. You're literally making custom software for your business without needing to spend days on end writing code. An AI-powered chatbot is another fantastic idea for a small business. You've probably used them yourself, and now with vibe coding, they're accessible to any business. If you feed a knowledge document into a vibe coding platform full of information resources about your business, you can ask it to develop a chatbot that will answer users' questions with answers based on the knowledge document you created. But here's where it gets even better. Chatbots aren't just for customer support, they can also drive sales. For example, a chatbot on a product page could greet visitors with a simple question like, are you shopping for a gift or for yourself? And then recommend the perfect products based on their response. So instead of just automating responses, you're actually creating a smart digital shop assistant that boosts engagement, improves customer experience, and even helps increase sales, all without you having to lift a finger. And again, this isn't just for big companies anymore. With platforms like Hosting a Horizons and Base44, you can connect to an AI, give it information about your business, and set up how it interacts with customers. You can train it on your products, FAQs, and brand personality. It provides support and guidance instantly. A third idea is a fun quiz or product matcher. This works really great for businesses with a lot of choices where customers might feel lost. Let's say you sell coffee beans. You can create a short quiz on your site called Find Your Perfect Brew. It could ask questions like, how do you take your coffee? Black or with milk and sugar? When do you drink your first cup? Early morning or later in the day? What flavors do you like in desserts? Fruity, chocolate or nutty? Based on the answers, you can now suggest the perfect bean for their taste.
Hey, does anybody want coffee?
This is really helpful and it makes customers feel seen and understood, which is exactly what any small business owner wants for their business. This in turn turns shopping into a personal experience. You can do the same thing for skincare, books, subscription boxes, and so on. These small apps can really improve your business and make you stand out. Okay, so we've wowed your customers. Now it's time to use vibe coding to make your life easier. Vibe coding isn't just about creating cool customer experiences. It can also help you simplify and streamline how you run your business. It can save you time, it can reduce stress, and get rid of those messy manual systems that always seem to cause problems. Let's start with one of the most common pain points for small businesses, inventory management. If you sell physical products, you already know how important it is to keep track of your stock. Spreadsheets might do the job when you're just starting out, but as your business grows, they quickly become a headache and they can get confusing. With vibe coding, you can fix that by building your own custom inventory tracker. No coding skills are needed. Imagine a simple, clean app where you and your team can easily see what's in stock, update quantities in real time when you sell or receive new items, and even set up automatic email alerts for when stock levels are running low. And unlike off-the-shelf inventory management tools that might leave you thinking, this is great, but I wish I could add some more features, you can design it exactly how you want. Include only the features that matter to your business, keep the layout clean, and access it anytime from your phone or computer. No more digging through spreadsheets, no more wondering if you have enough of your best-selling items. And while we're on the topic of simplifying your operations, let's talk about another common headache: managing your finances. Keeping track of where your money's going can be just as tricky as managing your stock, especially when you're juggling expenses, payments, and budgets all at once. That's where a custom budget and expense tracker comes in. Sure, there are many accounting tools out there, and you should use one for your official records, but for tracking and budgets or spending, a custom tool can be faster. You can create a simple app where you or your employees can submit expenses by taking a picture of a receipt and entering the amount. You can have categories that match your business, giving you a clear view of where your money is going in real time. Beyond trackers, automating tasks is a great use of vibe coding. Think about the little jobs you do each week, like sending emails, organizing files, or creating reports. You can automate many of these. For example, say you run a cafe or retail shop with hourly workers. Making the weekly schedule can take time. You can build a simple shift scheduling app. Employees can log in and enter when they're available. Then you can see everyone's availability in one place, making scheduling easy. You can add a feature that sends an automated email or text to each employee with their schedule for the week. This one thing can save you hours each month. These are just a few ideas to start with. The options are endless. Think about what is difficult in your business for you or your customers and ask, could a simple app fix this? With today's tools like Base44, Hosting a Horizons, Lovable or Replit, the answer is often yes. Now, before you start, here are 2 important tips. First, be very careful with private data. When building these tools, especially for customers, you might want to connect them to your customer database. I advise against it, at least at first. Never show your raw data, API keys, or secret login info in a public app. Data security is important. A data breach can ruin the trust you've built with your customers. Start simple and don't handle sensitive information until you know what you're doing. Second, if you're building something for customers, I recommend hiring a developer to do a quick security check. It doesn't have to be expensive. Use a platform like Upwork or Fiverr to hire a developer for a few hours just to check your project before it goes live. Think of it as insurance. Having someone look at your work will give you peace of mind and protects your business and customers. It's a good investment. Okay, so let's recap. Vibe coding helps small businesses build custom solutions without needing coding experience. You can create customer experiences like pricing calculators, AI chatbots, and product quizzes to increase sales. You can also make your business run smoother with inventory trackers and automated schedules to save time and energy. The goal isn't to become a developer, it's about giving you the tools to solve your specific problems in a creative way. I hope this video gave you some ideas for your business. Now, I want to hear from you. Which part of your business do you wish you could build a custom tool for? What projects are you thinking about? Let me know down in the comments. I read them all. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot and ensures you won't miss future videos with tips for your business. Also, check out our other videos for more ways to grow and improve your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.